taking a bath this morning? Hello? Hi, baby. Mwah. Hello everyone, good morning.
Hola friends, good morning.
It's been busy already this morning.
My goodness gracious.
Gosh, it's noon.
Why do our days off feel like days on, you know?
Oh wow, we have got so many. We wanted to have everything finished yesterday, but we just didn't get everything done. So now we're getting all of the last minute errands before we leave. Right now we're sitting outside the oil change place getting ready to get the car all fixed up, a little tune up, and then
We're gonna go to the pharmacy.
We gotta go to the pharmacy, and then I think I need to do one little load of laundry and of the unmentionables, and yeah.
Are they unmentionable when you mention them?
I did mention them. I said unmentionables.
I see.
Let's get our oil changed.
I can't wait to see Atlanta tomorrow.
I'm so excited.
So excited.
Jelly's coming.
Friendos, just doing mad preparation right now. We've completely charged everything that we have. Now we're ready to pack the bag. So I've got my camera bag going. I've got a ton of cables here for all the various devices that we use. And I've got some hard drives in here. And let's see what else. We've got a bunch of mounts that we need for various stuff. And of course charging stuff. And batteries for our gimbal. I've got my Pocket Osmo, which I absolutely love. And then we've got some more glass here, so we can change lenses out for certain situations. And of course, you've got Jobs. I can't live without my Jobs. I love these little guys. They're fantastic. And over here, the newest addition to our family right here is Gyro. We had to label him. So that's our helicopter right there, our drone, and a ton of batteries, the joystick, everything, all right in this little nice little bag. Love it. All right, so I have to tear down my laptop and get that ready, but let's go see if Stef's doing something.
Hi friends! As Sean just said, we are packing up everything for we leave tomorrow for our Gatlinburg trip. And Sean's packing all the computer and the camera stuff, our new flying camera, so exciting. And I'm doing all the clothes and medicines and everything else that we have to get. I've got the suitcases here. Tried to get it in one suitcase, but I'm going to go in 1.5 suitcases. Not too bad. We got all of our travel snacks, and laundry is finishing up now. The unmentionables. And then we're good to go. So close to being finished. Like to be finished in the next hour so that we can sit down, rest, and then get to bed, because tomorrow's gonna be an early day and we're gonna go to the aquarium! Jellyfish. Let's go.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I'm exhausted.
So tired, and we've got like 3 hours until we have to drive, so.
We didn't get to bed early.
No. We did so much stuff today. I packed up the camera stuff, made sure everything is charged. Stephanie packed all the clothing and everything else that was needed, right?
I did. And now it's 10 o'clock. I wanted to be done by 7.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Ugh.
All the errands took twice as long. The pharmacy
Yeah.
took forever. Everything took forever. So yeah, we're gonna call this one early because we're really going to be in a car in like 3 hours. So, oof.
In all fairness, though, it is the exact same as going to Jacksonville.
That's true. We've done this 1,000 times, so I guess.
It's the exact same time we usually go to bed, and it's the 3 hours that we get. But we usually get a nap in Jacksonville, and I don't get a nap tomorrow.
Yeah.
So.
Coffee or cranky? That's the question.
I don't want to be cranky.
I don't want that either.
All right, everybody. We're going to say good night for tonight.
All right, everybody. We love each and every one of you, and we will see you tomorrow bright and early for our Great Smoky Mountain Adventure.
Can't wait.
Can't wait. Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye.